Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now. I'm a ghost, I call your name, you look right. If you like the content and the effort that's been put into making of this video, then subscribe to my channel by clicking on subscribe button and hit the bell icon in order to get all the latest updates. Hi all, once again welcome back to my channel. Last weekend I went to Primark for shopping and I picked a couple of stuffs, so I thought of sharing those stuffs with you guys. Let me just show you them. Let me just show you the bag first. Oops, I already tore the bag. Alright, so this is the little shopping that I did. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's see that what's there in this bag. Alright, so starting with my favorite pair of shoes. Actually, it's been quite a while. I was looking to buy something like this from Nike or Adidas, but yeah, I already have a Nike shoes, and recently I got Skechers, so I just thought that okay, let me put my thought on hold for some time. And meanwhile I went to Primark. There I saw the same pattern and they were quite reasonable, so I just picked them up without giving any thoughts. So I'm really loving them, and yeah, and they are in white color. I don't have in white color. I do have a Converse shoes in white color, but I did not have the sport shoes in white color, the trainers. So I got them in white color this time. I'm really happy with them and really excited that I'm gonna wear it. Really excited to wear them. So yeah. Alright. Alright, so the next thing that I got is this cute little high neck top. I'm really happy with this pic because of the color. The color is not showing it properly. Yeah, because of the color and this flowy bottom. It's really pretty. It's really pretty, and it has a button at the back. Alright, so this is how the dress looks on me, and currently the summer without sun situation that we are having here in UK, I can pair them up with legging as well. Alright, so let me just have a look that for how much did I got this one. Yeah, this one was for £14. So yeah, this one was for £14, and yeah. Okay, the next thing that I got is a jumpsuit, and yeah, this jumpsuit, it looks really I really like the pattern. It's not visible. Yeah, this is how it looks. It looks really when I wore this one, it looks really classy, and it has got this golden buttons which are really beautiful. Yeah, this golden buttons, and one thing I'm not quite happy with this is this belt, which is like a rope, and it has this golden buckle, which I'm sure that I'm not going to wear. I'm going to remove this one. Maybe I'll pair this one with some other belt, but not this one. So but other than that, this jumpsuit is really good. I really like the color and the pattern, and the bottom is like this. Yeah, of course. So yeah, I also like the material. It's really soft and it's very cool, so in summer it feels really good to wear something like this. So I'm wearing it with a black top, and I can also wear it with jackets. Probably a white denim jacket for those casual days, and with a blazer for those formal days. Yeah. Um, and one thing, I don't know, with me, with jumpsuit, I always, whenever I go for shopping, at least one jumpsuit will always be there in my list. I don't know, I really like jumpsuits because they make me look taller and a little bit leaner. I don't know if it is that way, but I think it makes me feel that way. So yeah, I don't know. It might not be correct, but I think in that way because I feel the difference when I wear jumpsuit. So whenever I go for shopping, I always pick at least one jumpsuit, and I have got like so many on now. So all right, then moving on to next pick from Primark is again a jumpsuit, like I said. So it has got short sleeves and it's a wrap dress, and yeah, it also has a string, which is which I don't have any problem with. I'm going to use this one because this is better than that. And all right there, so they are going really well with the shoes that I got from Primark. This color is also really beautiful. So yeah, I got this one for, oh, I'm sorry, the previous dress was this, that was for 19 pounds after discount. So basically there was a discount going on, so all these are discounted price. um, so this the previous jumpsuit was for 19.99 for after discount, and this is this one is 17.99 after discount. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to share the price for shoes. The shoes I got for 22.99 pounds. So which is really good because when you go to Nike or Adidas, it the shoes like that will cost you around 80 to 90 pounds. That's, yeah, 80 to 90 pounds. I got them for 22.99. It is really a bargain. So yeah, I'm really happy with those. And the next thing, Primark, in their kids section as well, they have got really cute dresses, accessories for babies, for kids, for small babies, kids. So I picked a couple of stuff from the kids section as well, and that's the pair of shoes. And these shoes, they look so cute. Oh, I'm really happy with this pick. So what I like about Primark is, you get to wear all trendy things in much cheaper price. So if you go for the branded one, they would cost you really high. But in Primark, it's not like that. You can just wear all trendy things. They have got all trendy things in much cheaper price. And quality is also not that bad. This one at least you can use for few months without any problem. And after that, any which ways, the kids, they will outgrow and you will no longer be able to use it even if you want to. Quality wise and trend wise, Primark is doing a really good job. So I'm really happy with it. So the next thing again is are the pair of shoes. So do you see these shoes? They are so cute. They've got cartoon characters on them, and I can put this one when it's a more of a formal look, and this one when more of a, like, you know all cute dresses. Yeah, I can pair. I know with what I can pair these shoes, and that's this cute little shirt. I mean, even this has got cartoon characters over it. Do you see that? It's so cute. I wish even I could wear them. So yeah, I can pair these shoes with this shirt. Yeah. All right. Mm. Okay. So this bottom comes with this shirt. So, so yeah. And the next thing is again from kids section, and it's this dress. Wow, I broke the hanger. So yeah, it says cool kid. Yeah, true. So yeah, it says cool kid, and this one. So good. And last but not the least is I got this bunch of artificial flowers. I already have a vase for it, but I was looking at something like this in Wilco also. Saw them, but I did not buy for some reason. But in Primark I got them in much cheaper price, and in their home decor section also they have got really cool stuff in much cheaper price compared to IKEA, Metalan. Yeah, I mean I saw that they have got really cheaper stuff when compared to these places. So yeah, you should go and check out there. I want to do more of a home decor shopping, but by the time I reached the home decor section, it was too late because I already had spent a lot of time in clothing section. By the time I reached their home decor section, it was too late and the shop was about to get closed. So in hurry I could just pick this one, which I'm really happy with. Alright then, so that's about it. So if you're looking for all trendy stuff and you don't want to spend much, then Primark is the best place. Let it be for clothing, accessories, kids stuff, and home decor. So all trendy stuff you will get in much cheaper price in Primark, so definitely go and check out there. On that note, this video comes to an end, and if you like this video, then please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are a first time visitor to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button. Until we meet again, take care, bye bye. Ja, die borstelen dus los. Ja, dan. With roast. You know, yeah. So, فعبدوا يوشتين لا مدوا يوشتين لا سياقوا يكتب صوت نيراش فرق صلوا بكتب يا نحن بوشف ما نعرف نبي نكتب صلا عشان نعمل كلام مثلا نكتب لا